Yes, another beautiful morning above ground. Currently on my way to get an oil change, and then I'm gonna bike ride to Patrick's house. I'm going a nice little ride, okay? Still out here, you know what I'm saying? Right on. First pit stop. All right. Oh, I almost fell.
Bro, that's
was on picture mode this whole time. That's embarrassing. You want to take a break?
yeah. Like 2 minutes.
Sure. Gives me some time to check my stats. How you feeling, Patrick?
Oh my god. Oh well, that's why you never speak, because you have it stopped, so it doesn't. Yeah.
You said it does automatically.
It does, but you just clearly saw that.
What? Bikers don't have to obey laws. You're so slow. Left, right, nobody in sight. Yeehaw! Woo-hoo! We're good, we're good, we're good, we're good. Ah, a double yellow line, we gotta stand up and hit a sprint. 1. God damn! Ah! Woo! I probably would look really stupid riding my bike like this, but good footage is good footage.
Unless it's shitty.
Oh, I didn't even record that. I'm like,
hey, you gotta post that from the GoPro angle, because you look like a dumbass. All right, Sam, what you want?
Down here. Wow. What if I just went straight?
on to the next spot. What? Oh, really? Terrorizing these streets, boy. Hey, oh, what happened?
Oh, this is dope. Really?
I didn't mean to. Oh shit. Yeah.